Hey everyone, it's Professor Clark, and in this very short little lecture, we are going to learn a little bit more about the verb любить. The verb любить in Russian means both to like and to love. It's a second conjugation verb with shifting stress. Remember, you should always keep a sharp eye on any disyllabic verbs because it very often happens that they have this shifting stress. And it has a consonant mutation that is very common for second conjugation verbs in which L is added between the stem and the ending in the ya form of the verb. And so we say ya люблю. We add an L between the be and the u. And then this L disappears in the other forms. Ты любишь. Он любит. Мы любим. Вы любите. And они любят. So the only thing that's challenging about любить is this L that appears. And again, this happens with some second conjugation verbs, so you have to keep an eye out for it. It happens in second conjugation verbs with stems that end in be, ve, or pe. And going back to любить, it can take a direct object, like я люблю эту книгу, I like this book, or the infinitive of a verb. Я люблю читать. I like to read.